Prepare decorative lamp circuit to produce rotating light effect or running light effect.
Hi, my name is Charumati. The present invention relating to bulbs is rotating light effects and patterns to present different light effects in different directions. The bulb casing is changeable as desired so as to have various patterns according to the requirements of the users. Hence, today we are going to learn about preparation of a decorative lamp circuit to produce a rotating light effect and running light effect.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to
select lamps, sequential control for light decoration, design lighting layout for running light, design layout for rotating light, connect the motor for 3-point running light, sequential control motor. Connect lamp circuit in the electronic sequential controller.
tools required. Multimeter, 1 number. Equipment or machines required. DPST knife switch 16 amps, 250 volt, 2 numbers. Single phase motor fractional horsepower with reduction gear 1 number. 240 volt operation output load 5 to 10 amps with speed and intensity control 1 number. Materials required. Connection LEDs, flexible, is required. Cam drive arrangement with shaft, 1 number. Lamps, 240 volt, 15 watt, bayonet cap, 54 numbers. Batten lamp holder, 6 amps, 240 volt, 54 numbers. Electronic sequential controller, 1 number. A decorative lamp circuit is a type of electronic circuit that is designed to power a decorative light source in order to create an aesthetically pleasing lighting effect. The circuit typically consists of a few basic components, including a power supply, a switch or controller, and one or more light sources. Now, let us move on to the procedure. Task 1. Prepare a rotating light effect. Connect the lamps, switches, and the flasher motor. Keep the DPST switches S1 and S2 open. Close the DPST switch S1 and start the flasher motor, sequential light controller. Close the DPST switch S2 and observe the make and break contacts 1, 2, 3 and on-off operations of the 3 lamp bangs. Note: do not touch live wires. Open the DPST switch S1 and S2. Task 2. Prepare a running light effect. Prepare the lighting design. Close the DPST switch S1 and observe the lighting. Increase the speed of operation by operating the speed control. Adjust the intensity of light by adjusting the knob on the electric sequential controller. Reduce the speed and intensity of the lighting system. Open the DPST switch S.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to select lamp and sequential control for light decoration, to design lighting layout for running light, to design layout for rotating light, to connect the motor for 3-point running light, sequential control motor, to connect lamp circuits in the electronic sequential controller. We have also learnt the purpose and functioning of rotating and running decorative lamp circuit. Thus, we have learnt to prepare decorative lamp circuit to produce rotating and running light effect. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.